Sam Hunt lives and works in Penticton, BC. He designs and makes high-end modern furniture. The specialty is using solid wood, joined using traditional methods. As I mentioned, Hunt uses a lot of solid wood in his designs. The lines in his work are very clean, with just the bare essentials left in his work, to produce a subtle and refined aesthetic. This is a white oak sideboard he recently made. The client gave him pretty much free rein on the design of the piece, so he included a number of details he'd never tried before. As you can see from a lot of his past projects, Hunt is the kind of guy who doesn't like a lot of adornment. Keeping the design simple and clean is of utmost importance to him. The grain of the wood is usually secondary to the actual shape and overall design of the piece. Here's a selection of work Hunt has made over the years. Hunt recently moved to Penticton from the Vancouver area, where he had a shared shop space. He now has a dedicated space that's quieter and allows him to relax a little bit more. And at about 1,000 square feet, it gives him a lot of room to play with. The space is fully loaded with all the machines, power tools, and hand tools you'd expect, though Hunt especially loves his Panto router.